Everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification SMS code not received. So this is very easy. If you have to follow my all steps. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp and update to the WhatsApp latest version. After that, make sure you are using stable internet or Wi-Fi connection. If you are using only Wi-Fi, switch to network mobile data. If you are using mobile data, switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, you have to tap on this WhatsApp logo icon and hold for few seconds. After that, you have to tap on this app info icon, and here you have to tap on this storage button, and here you have to tap on this clear cache at the right bottom. In this way, you can fix WhatsApp SMS notes. If not received your SMS, you have to remove your SIM card and again enter your SIM card to your mobile phone. In this way, you can fix your WhatsApp SMS code not received.